Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Royal Lakes are now free to play in the St. Catherine Major League after Justice David Batts ruled that the club is within their right to take part in the competition. Royal Lakes were deemed to have broken the statutes of football governing bodies by the St. Catherine FA, but the court found nothing inappropriate.
2 days before Royal Lakes were supposed to take part in the St. Catherine Major League, they were issued with a letter noting they were banned from participating in the competition. According to the St. Catherine FA's correspondence to Royal Lakes, they have breached the FA, the JFF, CFU, CONCACAF and FIFA statutes when they went to court 8 months ago seeking an injunction against the election to elect the parish president. But according to Royal Lakes attorney-at-law Sarah Elizabeth Dixon, the concept of breaking the statutes is a misrepresentation of the laws covering football locally and overseas.
Even though I've been practicing for a time, I can say in reading the FIFA statutes, if it's read properly and clearly, it's being misrepresented. I mean, the argument that you can't take them to court was advanced years ago in 2007 and it failed before our courts already. So how is it still that people are under this impression that you can't take them to court? That argument failed from 2007. So how we're still here?
According to Dixon, the reason they went to court had to do with the fact that the JFF has refused to intervene.
Well, I'm hopeful that no prejudice will be rendered against them. I can't say with certainty, but it does not benefit the FA to prejudice my client in any way. It's only going to yield to yet again a third, fourth, fifth court action. How far is it going to go? At some point, the FA has to just acknowledge that they should, in short, shape up and accept that we were fairly treated before the court.
Dixon is also hoping that Royal Lakes is welcomed back to the league without any negative repercussions.
Before we were even retained, our clients attempted to go to JFF from May 2024. If anyone can recall, on the 4th of May, I knew the exact date, 4th of May 2024, an article from the Gleaner was published quoting the General Secretary of JFF, who stated that he will not involve himself in parochial disputes, meaning between the parish, because it was our clients, the same Royal Lakes and St. Catherine FA, and they said that they weren't going to involve themselves. Since then, several attempts have been made to escalate the matter to JFF. Personally, I've written letters to the JFF, whether the Southeastern Division Chairman or the JFF General Secretary, and each time it is a case where we have been told they cannot assist.
TVJ Sports tried to reach the St. Catherine FA President Elaine Walker-Brown for a comment, but the call went unanswered. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.